Hello, I'm Jason McAdams from the NAE Fusion Group, and I'm discussing the extraction and use of helium-3 for fusion reactions. Helium-3 comes from the Sun. It's an isotope of helium containing an atomic mass of 3 units. It is not available on Earth readily due to our atmosphere, but it can be mined from the moon soil. My design here heats up the lunar soil, which is required to extract the helium-3, and then as much as possible is siphoned off into the small tank on the side. I used a kiln here as my inspiration, as they were extremely efficient at heating up small quantities of material, but it would need to be scaled up to be of great use, because you must process several tons of lunar soil in order to get just a few tons of hydrogen helium-3. The transport is extremely costly as well. Projects going to the moon cost around $189 million, quoting the Saturn V. Cost per pound has risen as well for simply getting materials into space. So even if we wanted to just temporarily store it in our orbit, it would be around $10,000 to $46,000 per pound. And the $10,000 is if the space shuttle program is still running, but with commercial or private enterprises, it's around $26,000 on average. In terms of cost, this is extremely poor cost efficiency. Everything we would need to be shipped up to the moon, except for the helium, and then from there, we wouldn't be able to do things in a great amount of size. So that's why both of those are low to medium, because honestly, size could be mitigated if we simply extract less at a time. However, maintenance and ecological damage are both very low, because it will be extremely hard to keep these machines running on the moon with the small micrometeorites that we have to deal with and all of the moon dust. Ecologically, the lunar surface will be marred forever due to our mining efforts. It goes through so many tons of material to get such a small yield that it is very damaging to the moon. Automation-wise, things are looking better because you can automate the extraction of helium-3 from the lunar surface, but some human interaction is still definitely required in order to make sure it's being extracted properly and that it's being collected efficiently. A few sources here, mostly just for numbers, especially the prices. And this is Jason, signing out.